50's Chevy truck. Looks like a converted 50's Suburban into a flatbed truck. Model number 9 of 34, the Hot Wheels Delivery Series. They made a white variation, and then they made this plush velvet black. That's Ed Pink, Racing Engines. Racing engines. Look at those wheels. Those are definitely racing style engine wheels. We have the chrome fancy dancy prancy base. And oh yeah, what's that say? It says Ed Pink. Ed must like pink, so he calls it Ed Pink. Way to go, Ed. Some men like pink. Most women like pink. I'm one of those guys that like hot pink on a race car. Sounds a little weird for a guy, but you know, that's the way I like my cars sometimes. Anyway, goodbye.